After a major success with Printables brands, we introduce Printables Bands. It's our new VOD or Vinyl On Demand service. Download 3D print files of actual LP records from Printables.com because no digital audio format can ever beat the quality of a proper vinyl. This way, we are bringing absolute freedom to musicians worldwide. Produce your own LP record using Prusa Slicer by dropping an audio file right into the window and then slice it. Use a 0.25mm nozzle to achieve the most detailed sound reproduction. We recommend a hardened nozzle for genres such as rock or industrial. Also, consider using tungsten filament for heavy metal. If you don't have a record player at home, don't worry. You can turn your original Prusa XL into a record player with a new turntable firmware update. Simply print a needle adapter and turn the XL into a state-of-the-art turntable. We are also introducing our first ever music collaboration with an independent music group, the Thermoplastic People. Their album features a long list of modern classics, such as Calibration, My 3D Printer Sucks,
but the damn thing just isn't worth the bit. Bought it cheap online, it was a steal. Now I'm stuck with a machine that won't even appeal.
Printer's Paradise,
They end up a mess, but I won't give up, no I won't confess. But then I got the Prusa, and my world is flew away.
and their #1 hit song in their native Czech language, Mám ucpanou trysku, or My Nozzle's Clogged. And who could forget the classical Christmas song, Face Stepping into the Silent Night.
Behind the scenes, making 3D printers silent, fulfilling our dreams.
We'll bring you even more great music to your ears real soon. So stay tuned for more updates and happy printing!